Papuntahin mo siya dun sa harap. Julia!
We are inviting all the kids, especially 5 years old to 12, to come and join us here in our event area. We have a special event for all of you. We have a game here, which is hula hoop relay with your best buddy. Ayan, yung mga kids ko, you can come and join us here. Kahit yung mga minus buddies, you can play with us too. Yan, yan. Ano pangalan niya nga? Mickey Cruz. Kuya Mickey ka. At sige, kuya Mickey na naman kayo. Okay, taas natin yung kamay. And shake. Shake tayo. Shake, 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 shake. And jump. Jump, jump, jump. Okay. And turn around. Turn around. Okay, ayun. Okay, ulit natin sa lahat dyan dito sa ating event area. Okay, magdadance tayo together with Lala Chan. Sino may mahilig mag-dance? Sino may mahilig mag-dance dito? Ayan, na si Kuya Miki, mahilig para mag-dance. Okay, magaling din niya si Lala Chan mag-dance. Kaya kailangan natin galingan mag-dance kids because Lala Chan is choosing her best dancer later. My best dancer later si Lala Chan. May reward siya mamaya sa best dancer na mapipili niya. Okay, Lala Chan, let's dance. Ready ka na ba? Okay, ready na. Okay, okay. And run. Yan, bounce. Run, run, run. Very good. Okay. And shoot. One more. Hands in your hair. Okay. Oh, swing the head. Swing your head.
Ako dun, be.
Okay na, nakaganito. And shake. Yan, effort. Shake. And push. One more. Okay, shake. Okay, ganyan ako tempo.
Biyahin mo, be.
And push. One more shield. Another shield. Okay, hands in the air. Okay, one more. Shield. Oh, shield sa kabila. And hands in the air. Okay, shake your tummy. Okay, very good. And eat. Okay, very good.